So hi guys, it's Boss Light Digital Academy. I still remain my humble self, Boss Light. Welcome everyone to today's tutorial on how to enter into a crack wall just like this one. Okay, so we are going to be doing this on CAPCUT. So CAPCUT will allow us to make use of this one. So first and foremost, you need to take a video of yourself or anyone else just like this. Make sure your camera is in the tripod to ensure video stability. First thing, you come in and you knock on the wall, you wait, then you wait for the wall to crack. So this is where you bring in your crack effect. Okay, so the app that we are going to be using to create this video is known as CAPCUT. So when you go to your Play Store, and type CAPCUT. Okay, you go to your Play Store, you click on the search button and search for CAPCUT. Okay, this first one. Okay, click on it. Click on to search. So the CAPCUT is a video editing app. Okay, so you can see the CAPCUT here. I've already installed it on my phone, so that's why you are seeing it here like that. Okay, so this is the CAPCUT. So I'll just go over and open it up. Okay, this is the CAPCUT here. You can see it here. This one. Okay, so you click on it for it to open, so that you can bring in your video that you've recorded. And make sure when you are recording that your video, make sure it's on a tripod or on a stable surface. Okay, so that you don't need your video to shake. Okay, you need a still motion. All right, so this is the CAPCUT right now. So we will click on project. So we click on new project. Click on the new project, where you see the plus sign. Okay, click on it. So now we are going to look for the video that we want to edit. Just watch the way that I'm doing it, okay? And follow the process that I followed. Okay, just follow me the way I'm just doing it, and you will get a good result. So this is the video here. This one, you click on it to select it. Click on it. It's loading. Wait for it to load. So this is our video here. So let's play it.
Your place be going up.
So where we are going to apply the effect is where I knocked. Alright, so this is the place. Then you move to the place. Just use your hand to drag the timeline to the right. Okay, I knocked 3 times. Then I waited. At this point, this is where you apply the effect. Now you click on the overlay. Look at the bottom. You will see edit, audio, text, and overlay. You click on overlay. Click on the overlay, add overlay. Then it will take you to your gallery where you will bring in the green. So you go to YouTube and type and search for green effect on crack wall. That is crack wall green effect. That is this one that is here. So I have to select it to apply it to my timeline. Alright, so I'll apply here to click. You click on add to apply it. Now it will apply. Now it has applied. Okay, so let's try to play it and see how it looks like. Okay, so what we'll do here now is to rotate this. Rotate it. Just slant it. Rotate it. Okay, this way, rotate. Alright, so now what do we have to do here now? How do we remove this green background from the crack effect? So all we have to do, when you look at the bottom of the timeline, you will see split volume, splice, animation, and delete. So all you have to do is to come here, you go to remove background. You see remove background there. You click on remove background. You understand? Then you click on chroma key. That is the third one. Click on chroma key. Then you will select the color picker. Okay. Now this is the color picker. Now on the green screen you will see a circle there. So when you hold it down, you move around the green screen, you will see how it will change to green. Wait for it to change to green. You can see that it has changed to green. The circle has changed to green. Now you click on intensity. That is the second one. Then you drag it a little bit to about 90 or 90 something. 90 or 90 something. Okay, leave it at 90. Then you click on shadow. You increase it to the end. Okay, then you click on the check mark. Click on the check mark. Now you bring in, you drag. Just tap on your screen to drag because it has been selected. You tap on the effect to position where you need it. Okay, so you position here. Alright, so now you move a little bit where you lean on the wall. Okay, now what I'm going to do here right now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to screenshot this particular place. Okay, I will screenshot it, and this is a screenshot. Now I'll crop it. I'll crop where I don't need out. I will just crop it out. I just need only that scene, only that clip. So I have to crop the unnecessary one out. So use it. So this is, then you click on save. That is the top button. Okay, then you click on save. Now watch what I'm going to do now. Look at the bottom, you see add overlay. We want to bring in that screenshot and superimpose it on this layer. Okay, so you click on the add overlay. You click on add overlay. It will take you to your gallery where you go and bring in the screenshot image. Then you click on photos. So this is the screenshot image. You tap on it. Okay, then you click on add. Okay, now it will add. Yeah, now it has been added on top. So what you're going to do is to increase it so that we will superimpose it on this clip. So make sure you do it very well. Okay, so that is that. So watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to locate the remove background again. Make sure that you tap on this screenshot that you just brought in. Okay, so you locate remove background, which is this one. You remove background. You click on remove background. Then you click on custom remover. Okay, custom remover. When you click on the custom remover, then you select the option that says brush. Okay, so you can see brush right there. All right, so you click on brush, click on the brush, you reduce it a little bit, then you brush this part. Make sure you are brushing this part, this screenshot part. Okay, so you make sure you brush it. You see the screen will show for the brush. Okay, you can see that. You can see it. So you brush here, like this. That's the part that you don't need. You brush it. Make sure you brush it very well. You brush it this way. Brush it this way. Okay. Just brush this part. Brush it. Keep on brushing. Make sure you brush only this part that there is the fade. Don't move from the fade. Just clean only this part. Okay, just this part. You clean it, still clean it. Okay, make sure you clean every. Oh, sorry for that. Sorry for that. Let me reset it. You brush it.
Your place be going up.
Brush. Now make sure you brush every part. Okay, just brush only this area that you don't need. Just only the area that you don't need. Okay, so that's it. I think we are good to go. Then you click on the check mark. You click on the check mark and it will apply now. So let's watch our video. See, let's increase the timeline. You click on this, just hold it down to drag, okay, to extend it. Alright, so you extend it to where the video ends here. Okay, now let's play our work from here. That is it, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. In order for you to save this work, you need to click on the arrow button that is shown on the top of your left screen to export it to your gallery. Okay, so guys, thank you very much, and that is the end. We come to the conclusion of this tutorial, and if you are getting value, please like, comment, share, and don't fail to hit on the notification bell to subscribe and personalize to our video, so that whenever we upload such video like this, you will be first to be notified. Okay, so I remain Boss Light Graphics. So now your video has been downloaded, the one that you edited. So all you just have to do is to go back to your gallery and see how your video actually look like on your screen. So all we have to do right now is to go back to our gallery. You go back to your gallery, you click on your gallery, so you open your gallery and you locate the video that you just edited. That is this first one here. So you click on it, right? Okay, click on it to open it, and you will see how it look like. So let's view our video once again. So I remain Boss Light. See you when we drop the next one. Bye and God bless.